So I'm going to break up the right hand into sentences. We'll start with sentence 1A. And we'll break that up into two parts because it's kind of long. So in your right hand, you have fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes I'll refer to the finger numbers, and sometimes I'll refer to the fingers as a bottom, a middle, and a top. All right, so in sentence 1A, the first half, we're going to play the finger 1 to finger 3, and we'll play that finger 3 a total of 4 times. 2, 3, 4. We're going to move on to finger 4, up to 5, back down to 3. Another way to look at that is a bottom, middle, repeated 3 times, and then up to the top and stepping down to the middle. Your finger placement will be here. Pinky on C, here's your middle C. So pinky on the C above that, thumb on E, you have one note where there's no finger. That F is going to sit there all lonely. All right, in this position you have your bottom, your middle, stepping up, your bottom, your middle, repeating that 3 times, and then coming up to your top, back to your middle. So let's try that. Great. Now, moving on to the second half of sentence 1A, you are going to start with your middle finger. You'll step up, repeat, step up to the top, and then come back down to the middle, step up, and then leap down to your thumb. Let's try that again. So starting with your middle finger, middle, step up, repeat, step up to the top, down to the middle, step up, leap down to the thumb. Bum, 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 bum. Same position, starting with the middle finger. All right, going back to sentence 1A, the beginning, we'll put the 2 parts together, starting with the bottom to the middle. Starting with the middle finger. Now in rhythm, we're going to be counting in a cycle of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. This time you can play along with me if you'd like.